very good morning, 10th graders. I hope you all are good. As per discussion in last video, we have completed part B of marketing. Today we are going to start with part A, chapter 4. As per syllabus of your term 2, chapter 4 and chapter 5 of part B, in part part A is left. So part A, chapter 4 we are going to start today. That is entrepreneurial skill. Entrepreneurial skills are those skills that are required for a business environment, not only for profit, for satisfaction, for generation of ideas. So these such concepts we are going to discuss in today's session. There is a major difference between a businessman and an entrepreneur. A businessman will only sell the product, afterward he will not perform any other activity and take the profit. While the entrepreneur is the person who will think about decision taking also, selling product also, the growth of business also, taking responsibility also, that will never raise the hand, he will not never give up. These such quality a person is having, that is known as an entrepreneur. Suppose a person A is running a business, he is selling the product from their shop and going to home after selling the product. Second person B is also running a shop, he is selling a product and always he is trying to create new ideas to grow up their business. Always he is worried about thinking the creative ideas, and that's why he is getting different from other businessmen. So in that case A is a businessman while B is an entrepreneur, because he is always busy in development of growth of business by generating new idea or decision making process. This is the difference between businessman and entrepreneur. So today we are going to continue with the concept of entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is the person who is running their self business, taking their own decisions, thinking about the growth of business, planning for new ideas, taking the risk for a business, and even bear loss or earning the profit. It means a person who can bear loss also, who can take profit also, who can take decision also, who can create new ideas also, and who is always worried about growth of business prospect by making them different from others by generation of creative ideas. So these are the feature of an entrepreneur. So we can make a definition from here. A businessman who is running their self business by taking their own decision, thinking about growth of business, planning ideas, taking risks, bear loss or profit, earn profit, is known as the person that is entrepreneur. So what are the responsibility of entrepreneur? Entrepreneur have a major responsibility of fulfill the demand of customer. So first, a entrepreneur will fulfill the demand of customer. Not only fulfilling the demand of customer, he will think about the future also. So he is always ready to take the material from local market, because the task of entrepreneur is to provide the services at lower cost either than other companies, and if he is getting the arrangement of raw material from a local market, then the person can take the raw material on a lower cost and he can provide the product to the customer on a lower price. So use the local material, helping the society by providing the quality product and services, satisfying the customer, reduction in the price of cost, providing the quality items will help to the society and creates the job also. When you are running a business, you are taking new decision, you are developing new ideas. So to develop the new ideas, you need the resources, and you are the person who can generate the job in market. So you can create the job for a number of people. And sharing of your wealth, it means you are sharing of your wealth, mean to say you sharing of some ideas, sharing about your thinking, what is your thinking about your business. So many things. Like wealth means having enough money to live a comfortable life. So an entrepreneur grow their business, the people working for them and in related businesses also grow. It means wealth means to say he is thinking about others also. He is also earning, he is giving job to the others, and he is running the business with more prospect to earn for themselves also, earn for himself also. That is the concept of sharing the wealth. And lower price of product, and the responsibility of entrepreneur is to provide the product at lower cost either than other businesses, houses, by developing new ideas. Next topic, that is quality of an entrepreneur. A entrepreneur have some general qualities. The person who is running the self business, taking decision, thinking about growth prospect, that person should be confident about their decisions. Never roll back after taking the decision. Either you are wrong or you are right. So always be confident. Might be you are not getting profit, but after some time you will start getting some profit also. And keep patience. Don't be in hurry always. Don't think about on early basis. Always wait for a time. Wait for some number of years. Afterward you will get the reward back profit from your business. So patience is the major concept of business environment. If you will be in hurry, your business will get failure. And keep trying new ideas. Always try to develop new ideas. For example, you are running the business of paper, you are making the cardboard, so you can think about new ideas to create a notebook business. So you can keep trying new ideas. You should be creative in taking new ideas. You should have a capability to take the responsibilities to run the business with a number of quality features. And always taking decision after thinking. It means the person who is taking decision, the person should be a critical thinker. He will think about each positive and negativeness of the decision. And hardworking nature, and never give up, mean to say the person always continuously tries. Even after failure he will try it again and again, and one day he will get the success. The person who is not raising the hand just after doing try one time, if one time he is getting the failure, then he will find out the reason why he is getting failure. Next time he will again try for the same, and one day definitely he will get the success. This is the quality of a good entrepreneur. Next is come to the functions of entrepreneur. This topic is also same related. The function of entrepreneur is making the decision, managing the business activities, divide the income. Divide the income into say a team of people will work for a business. After running the business, team will get the salary and rest part will be taken by the entrepreneur. It means division of income between the workers, between the business, and between the market. How much amount is required for raw material, how much amount of requirement is required for your resources, your employees, and how much percentage of income is required for yourself. So the person who will divide the income of business, taking the risk, always standing for risk taking process, either it is loss or it is profit, and creating a new method or idea for your business environment. So these are some major functions that are performed by an entrepreneur for a business environment. He is not only running for the profit, he is running for their growth also, he is running for customer satisfaction also, he is behind the business for creating new developing ideas. He is running the business to make the business different from other business environment by implementing the new ideas for your business environment. So in today's session we are continuing till this topic. Dear students, again you are facing any doubt, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. It's 999118890. Just drop your query. I'll revert you back on the same number. Thank you. Have a nice day.